Having trouble seeing your DVR recordings in the Spectrum TV app? You're not alone. This issue often stems from problems with Cloud DVR sync, the process of your recorded shows being stored on Spectrum servers and appearing on all your authorized devices. Think of it like this. Your DVR recordings are uploaded to Spectrum's cloud after you record them. Your Spectrum TV app then checks this cloud to display the recordings. If there's a hiccup in the upload or the app's ability to see the cloud, you won't see your shows. Several factors can cause this. Common culprits include unstable internet connection. You'll need at least 25 megabits for HD recordings, outdated app software, corrupted app cache, or even a simple account authentication error where the app isn't properly linked to your DVR service. We'll cover specific fixes in the next section, but knowing why it happens is half the battle. If you're experiencing outages, check the Spectrum status page at spectrum.net/status. Let's get those recordings back. Start with the basics. First, close and restart the Spectrum TV app. Then, clear the app's cache. You'll usually find this option in your device's settings under Apps or Application Manager. Make sure your device is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your primary Spectrum DVR, if you have one. Also, check for app updates in the App Store. If those don't work, try power cycling your modem and router. Unplug them for 30 seconds, then plug them back in. A more advanced step is to relink your DVR to the app. You can do this in the app settings or through Spectrum's support portal. Remember, new recordings might take 5 to 15 minutes to sync to the cloud. If all else fails, head to Spectrum's official help center or community forums, or contact their support directly. As of recent updates in 2025, Spectrum has AI-assisted diagnostics in the app that may auto-troubleshoot the issue for you as well. These steps should help resolve most common Cloud DVR sync problems.